Good day, everyone. Today, you will learn on how to find rational roots given the polynomial equations and how to write it in factored form. Let's try this. Given x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 8x plus 12 equals 0, find the rational roots and write in factored form. First, we're going to apply the rational root theorem. We're going to get all the possible rational roots p over q. As we all know that p are all the factors of the constant term, which is 12, and q are all the factors of the leading coefficient, which is 1. Since the leading coefficient is 1, that means that p over q are all the factors of the constant term, which is 12. Therefore, the possible rational roots now are positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 3, positive negative 4, positive negative 6, positive negative 12. Now, we're going to choose one from this possible rational root. If the remainder is 0, that means that is one of the rational roots. Let's try 2. I will write it here. 2. Then take all the coefficients. 1, negative 2, negative 7, 8, and 12. Next, bring down 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Write it here. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. Then 0 times 2 is 0. Write it here. Negative 7 plus 0 is negative 7. Negative 7 times 2 is negative 14. Write it here. 8 plus negative 14 is negative 6. Negative 6 times 2 is negative 12. Write it here. 12 plus negative 12 is 0. The remainder is 0. Therefore, 2 is one of the rational roots of this given polynomial equation. Next, so our quotient now is x cubed plus 0x squared minus 7x minus 6 equals 0. So this is now our polynomial equation, and this is called depressed equation. Let's continue. Let's apply again the rational root theorem, p over q. So p are all the factors of negative 6, and q are all the factors of the leading coefficient, which is 1. Since that is 1, p over q are all the factors of negative 6. Therefore, the possible rational roots now are positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 3, positive negative 6. Again, we're going to choose one from these possible rational roots. So I choose negative 2. I will write it here. Then, take all the coefficients of the depressed equation. 1, 0, negative 7, negative 6. Next, bring down 1. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Write it here. 0 plus negative 2 is negative 2. Next, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Write it here. Negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 2 is 6. Write it here. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. The remainder is 0. Therefore, negative 2 is one of the rational roots. So our depressed equation now is x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Let's continue. Again, we're going to apply the rational root theorem, p over q. P are all the factors of negative 3, and q are all the factors of the leading coefficient, which is 1. Since this is 1, p over q are all the factors of negative 3. Therefore, the possible rational roots now are positive negative 1 and positive negative 3. From this, we're going to choose 1, and I choose 3. Then, take the coefficients of the depressed equation. 1, negative 2, negative 3. Next, bring down 1. Then, 1 times 3 is 3. Write it here. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1. Next, 1 times 3 is 3. Write it here. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. The remainder is 0. Therefore, 3 is one of the rational roots. So our depressed equation now is x plus 1 equals 0. So we're going to take the additive inverse of 1, which is negative 1. That means we're going to subtract both sides by 1. So x plus 1 minus 1 equals 0 minus 1. So x plus 1 minus 1 is x. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So negative 1 is one of the rational roots. Therefore, the roots or the rational roots or zeros of x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 8x plus 12 equals 0 are 2, negative 2, 3, and negative 1. Again, 2, negative 2, 3, and negative 1 are the rational roots of this given polynomial equation. So therefore, the factored forms of x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 8x plus 12 equals 0 is x minus 2. Galing mo siya dito sa 2. Then, x plus 2, galing siya dito sa negative 2. Then, x minus 3, galing siya sa 3. And x plus 1, galing siya sa negative 1. So, the factored form is the quantity x minus 2 times the quantity x plus 2 times the quantity x minus 3 times the quantity x plus 1 equals 0. Thank you so much.